Fixing shared focus status if it's grayed out on your iPhone is quick and easy. I'll walk you through the steps, but first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, let's head into the settings here, and we'll scroll down until we get to focus and tap on that. You can see towards the bottom is focus status. Let's tap on it. And first, you need to toggle on at the very top. You can see I can't turn it on for Do Not Disturb until I toggle it on at the very top. And then I can turn it on for Do Not Disturb or my YouTube or any other focus status. If this doesn't work, if it's grayed out, the next thing I would recommend doing is going back to the very beginning here. We'll scroll down, tap on Privacy and Security, and then we'll scroll down to Focus. Now you can see Shared with Messages. I need to turn this on to allow my messages to see that focus mode. The next thing you can do to enable it is to go all the way back to the very beginning here, tap on your name at the very top, tap on iCloud here, and then next to Save to iCloud, let's hit See All. Make sure two things, both messages is turned on to sync it, and you can hit sync now just to make sure everything is up and running. And the second one is iCloud Drive. Make sure this is toggled on and you'll be good to go.